Today we're going to do a DIY survival project. We are going to make Tinder containers for our cotton balls and Vaseline. What we're going to do is we're going to take two brightly colored match cases. We're going to put them back to back like this. Then we're going to add about 5 feet of any brightly colored duct tape. I like this royal blue color because there's no other color like this in nature, especially on the ground, so it really stands out. So what I'm going to do, put them back to back, and then start slowly at first to kind of get your wraps going around. And like I said, I like about 5 feet. So once you have your containers wrapped in duct tape, the next thing we need to do is we need to add about a foot of thin paracord or dental floss or something like this in order to pull our cotton balls out of our container. So what I'm going to do with this 12-inch piece is I'm going to make a square knot at the top. Hands are starting to get a little bit cold, slowing down a little bit. And I made a loop. Now what we're going to do with this loop is we're going to put it into our container like that. Once we have our loop in here, we're going to start adding our cotton balls. Now these cotton balls have all been soaked in petroleum jelly, so they make great fire starters. Once you get about 4 or 5 in there, just keep pushing them into the container, put your string in, close it up. When you're ready to use them, simply unscrew the lid, grab your string, slowly pull. Now I have one of my petroleum soaked cotton balls ready to use to start a fire.